Hey guys, welcome back to the Survival YouTube channel. We're here at Walmart. We're going to buy some stuff that you're going to get paid to purchase. So, first thing we got is some, what is it? Good Culture cottage cheese. You can get low fat, you can get pineapple, you can get strawberry, you can get blueberry. Sign up for Ibotta, which I have my referral link down below. You'll get a $1.40 rebate. I'm recording on my phone so I can't show you, and Monica actually doesn't have the rebate because she already redeemed it. So you actually make 3 cents though. And also, when you redeem this, if you are a new Ibotta user, you will get a $10 bonus for redeeming your first rebate. We got a couple more free things to show you. Yeah, I see. We got another little yogurt type deal here. $1.34 with a $1.34 rebate, so it's free. You can see there. Now this says it expires in 3 hours. We're hoping it resets so you can do it yourself. Monica also had one that was 25 cents off any yogurt, so you can actually make a little bit on that. Oh, is that what you're going to show us? Fantastic. Right there. And it's, I don't know how to pronounce that. Black cherry. That's $1.34. Do you want a different flavor? Peach or lemon? I'm not going to be the one eating this.
Yeah, I'll probably get a berry.
You don't, blackberry, lemon, or peach?
Ugh, not coconut.
Oh, there's more down here. Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Coconut.
Blueberry or strawberry?
Strawberry?
You know, one of these days I wish we could, but you can make vanilla yogurt pizza crust, and it's like 2 ingredients.
That sounds disgusting. Why would you ruin my pizza by putting yogurt in it?
Because it's like a culture, it's yeast. It's something that grows, so it makes it more stretchy and more...
Okay, but yogurt would ruin my favorite food. Let's not ruin a classic.
One of these days,
sometimes you don't mess with the classic.
No, but you'll get...
I don't need to try new things. Give me a pepperoni pizza every day. I'm fine.
Make it beef.
Are you getting 2, or are you getting 1 for yourself too?
Well, yeah.
We probably did need a card. I didn't realize you had several things.
Well, I didn't think I would.
Another Ibotta free item, Perfect Bar. What are they, protein bars or something?
13 grams, superfoods.
They're $1.98. You got almond butter, you got dark chocolate chip peanut butter, and you got regular peanut butter. We also got dark chocolate almond.
Yeah.
Anyways, Ibotta has a $2 rebate, so you pay $1.98, you get $2 back, so you get a free one.
And I don't have it because I already used it.
Monica already did it, but I'm a first timer. Alright, here's the deal you've all been waiting for. We have the Kiwi leather care kit, so it's in the shoe section at Walmart. They are $11.88 a piece. Monica, would you like to explain the deal?
Yeah, so you're going to buy 2, and that makes them...
I don't know, how much? $23.76.
Yep. And then right now we don't have a coupon for it. So you're going to pay that out of pocket. You're going to pay $23.76. And then there's an Ibotta that if you buy 1, you can get $4, but we're going to buy 2, so you're going to get $8 back for that. And then there's a swag promotion, which is going to give you 1,500 points, which that equals... And
that's swag bucks.
Swag bucks.
So swag bucks, and we'll leave a referral link down below if you're not already a swag bucks member. And what are you getting from swag bucks?
$15 is what the 1,500 points is going to be.
And we'll leave a link to the specific promotion too, so you don't have to search around for it.
And then there's also a My Points promotion going along with that, and they're going to give you 2,500 points for buying 2 of these. So we calculate
again,
that
there's going to be
half.
My Points and swag bucks both are like cashback sites. You can do different things to earn points. You can cash out to like a gift card or PayPal or a Visa prepaid card, so you can get your cash back, or you can get a gift card. And we'll leave the My Points referral also down below, along as the direct link to the offer. Actually, you know what? I'm going to put a post on my website, and we'll have all the link on the post. So there's only be 1 link down below, and then that post will have all the relevant links. I think that'll make it easier, don't you?
Yep. And then My Points, we figured is about half of that. So we're saying it's about $12.50, give or take.
In points.
In points. So averaging that about $12.50. You're going to pay $23.76, and after you do the Ibotta, My Points, and swag, you're going to get $35.50 back. So it's $11.74 money maker.
And if you're new to Ibotta, it's going to count as your first rebate redemption, and you'll get the $10 bonus like we talked about earlier.
And if you're new with Ibotta and you don't know, you might also check for any receipt. So that's 10 cents to 25 cents to maybe 50 cents.
In the search bar, type any, And then one of the options will be redeem any receipt for 25 cents. It might be 20 cents. It could be anything. But it would say any receipt. And then to submit a rebate on Ibotta is really easy. For Walmart, you just need to take a picture of the QR code. That's the square code at the bottom. And you'll need to take a picture of the product. Here, Monica will do it real quick. Real quick. There's the barcode of the item.
So if you don't know for sure, you're going to scan it as a barcode. It says, yes, $4
limit 2.
And you have to do them both on one receipt if you're going to claim that. You can claim just one, but the deal does better if you do the 2 because you're making more on those.
Right.
And then if you're going to, we don't have the receipt yet, but you go to redeem. And then you're going to say where you're going. We're going to Walmart because that was our deal. And then that's where it's asking, do you have the code? And then on the bottom of the receipt, you have that little square, and you're going to use that. And it's going to pull up your items that you clicked. That, yes, that's what I want.
Yep. And we're going to do 2 transactions, one for each of us, because we each have an Ibotta account. So we're going to make like 20-something bucks. Enough to buy dinner. Are we done? Is that it? Awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Like I said, I'll put one link to a post on my website, and then that post will have all the relevant information, all the links you'll need, because I think that's the cleanest way of doing this for us. Yeah, 2 there, and 2 more. Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate your time and efforts.
That's right. So, since you saved some money, maybe you can buy some more tools.
That's right. All about saving money so we can buy more tools. My favorite.
Glad we're on the same page.